Your mind is a tangled mess of ideas. To find a path forward, but seeing only fog. Confusion isn't just annoying, it is costing you precious time. Stress rises while your goals slip further away every day. Stop the chaos. Discover the power of universal clarity. Erase the noise and reveal your true path. A strategic roadmap designed for your unique vision. With confidence, purpose, and absolute precision starting now. Don't settle for guesswork. Choose a future you can see. Visit universalclarity.com today. Your breakthrough awaits.